Where are we going, Nathaniel?
We're going to the
beach.
We're going to the beach.
How are we getting there?
That's the way too.
Right way. I think it's Brooklyn.
There's a bus right over there. Daddy, wait!
Fire truck. Wanna go say hi to the horses? Say hi to the horsey. Please do not feed the horse. Hey.
Eating from the window.
Watch out for the water. There you go. We're almost at the beach. We're almost there. Okay, let's go. Well, mine are sandals, so I don't need to. I don't have socks on. You have socks on. You did have socks on. This is Riis Beach. You've never been here before. This is the Riis Beach. This is not Coney Island. There's a strong current out there, Nathaniel, so don't go any further than your ankles, okay? Yeah, what'd you find? Seashell?
Yeah, big.
See if I can get close enough to them so you can see what they look like. They got really long orange beaks.
Because I want to eat that bird.
That's not the kind of bird you eat, you silly Bill. What you doing? Digging in the sand? Alright, you want to get up there now? Hold my hand. Uh-oh. You can step on this thing. Step right there. It's okay.